Hello everyone, welcome to International Medical TV. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you things that you need to know about irregular period, including possible causes and the methods that can help you to get pregnancy if you are having irregular period. So before we jump into the video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educated videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educated YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said at the beginning of this video will cover the information that you need to know about irregular period, including possible causes and tips and tricks that can help you to conceive pregnancy faster if you are having irregular period. The problem is that so many women don't know how to calculate their menstrual cycle accurately. So that is what makes them to be thinking that they are having irregular period. So if you want to calculate your menstrual cycle, the first day that you will see bleeding is considered as day one of your menstrual cycle, while the last day of your menstrual cycle it is considered as day one of your next menstrual cycle. So many humans don't know that menstruation can vary from month to month. This month you can have a 28-day cycle, and there are other ones you can have a 35-day cycle. So it is normal and you want to consider it as an irregular period unless your period fell out of range after a 3 to 5 months. So now let's talk about the possible causes of irregular period. The first one is hormonal imbalance. Irregular period can be caused by the fluctuation of certain hormones such as estrogen and progesterone, and this can be caused by the stress and polycystic ovarian syndrome. While the second cause of irregular period is pregnancy. A missed period or irregular period can be an early sign of pregnancy. So if you are having an irregular period suddenly, so you have to go and do a test, so maybe you are pregnant. So the third causes of irregular period is menopause. Menopause is a cessation of period that has happened to each woman at the age of 45 to 50 years. So the transition of menopause, it can cause an irregular period. So if you are old age, particularly if you are in menopausal period, so there is no problem if you keep having an irregular period. The causes of irregular period number 4 is birth control. Changing menstrual cycle can be a side effect of certain birth control pills such as injections, pill, intrauterine cervical device. The causes number 5 of irregular period is taking up a certain medications such as anticoagulant, anticholinergics, and chemotherapy. The causes of irregular period number 6 is due to thyroid disorder. A having hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism with a can result into the irregular period. This kind of disorder, it can affect your menstruation more than you think. So the cause number 7 is due to eating disorders. So there is a lot of certain eating disorders such as bulimia nervosa and anorexia nervosa. It can make you to have a irregular period. The anorexia nervosa, this is kind of eating disorder which is characterized by the distorted body image, which makes the person to develop a aversion of food. While the bulimia nervosa, it is the opposite of anorexia nervosa. The last causes of irregular period is excessive exercise or over-exercise. So this can disrupt the level of your estrogen and the progesterone, which can later make you to develop the irregular period. That is why most of the women that are doing endurance exercise like a sport are having a irregular period. So you shall not be worried if you are having irregular period, especially if you are doing endurance exercises. In this section, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks that can help you to conceive a pregnancy even if you are having irregular period. I know that getting a pregnant with irregular period is very difficult more than you think. But if you follow these tips and tricks that I'm going to share, I'm sure you will get a pregnancy faster and easier, even if you are having irregular period. So the first one is track your ovulation. So ovulation is the time of menstrual cycle when a chance of woman to conceive is very high. So if you are having irregular period, I know it is very difficult to know when you are ovulating. So try as much as you can to track your ovulation. This will help you to conceive pregnancy. So you can track your ovulation by using the following tools, either by using an application tracker, or by either checking your cervical mucus, or by either checking your basal body temperature. So this it will help you to know when you are ovulating. So doing sex at this time, it can help you to conceive pregnancy more than you think. So if you want to know more about ovulation, so I want you to check in the comment section. I have dropped a link on my video where I have talked about tips that can help you to conceive pregnancy faster and easier. So the tips number 2 that can help you to conceive a pregnancy even if you are having irregular period is maintain a body weight. So being overweight or being underweight, this can affect your fertility. So for you that want to conceive a pregnancy and even if you are having an irregular period, so try as much as you can to maintain a healthy weight. Tips number 3 that can help you to conceive a pregnancy even if you are having an irregular period is reduce a stress. So if you haven't reduced a stress, so there is no way for you to have a ovulation, and without ovulation, don't forget that there is no pregnancy. So try as much as you can to reduce a stress by either doing a exercise or doing a meditation, or you can visit someone that is specialized in managing stress. Tips number 4 that can help you to conceive pregnancy faster even if you are having irregular period is consider taking fertility medications. So if you have been trying to get pregnant for over a long period of time but there is no success, so you have to take a fertility drugs such as Clomid. This it will help to induce your ovulation. Or you can try intrauterine insemination or in vitro fertilization. This it will drastically boost your chance of getting pregnancy even if you are having a irregular period. So the last tip that can help you to get pregnancy even if you are having a irregular period is see a doctor. So there are so many problems that can stop you from conceiving a pregnancy, like a cervical cancer, vaginal infection, and many more. So if you visit your healthcare provider, so he can rule out some tests or some pelvic examination, so to find out some abnormalities in your body. So managing such kind of data abnormalities that can affect your fertility, it can help you to achieve pregnancy faster and easier. So don't forget that getting a pregnant with irregular period, it is very difficult, but it is possible if you follow these tips that I have shared in this video, because there is a lot of people that have followed these tips and they have get a successful pregnancy and healthy baby. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find it educative and helpful, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and comment and share it to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.